So guys, I'll start by saying you've not been seeing videos because we have no internet, and we haven't had internet now for getting on nearly 3 weeks, and we're with Converge, and they're saying to us it's pretty unlikely you're going to get internet for a month. So I hope you've stayed with us, and if you're helping us financially, I hope you've not got disheartened and left us, because no, it's not a good time. So we're at the Rosie bike shop, and we've come to purchase a bike today, and I want you to have a guess what kind of bike we've come to purchase. So there's some nice bikes here, as you can see, guys. Yeah. This is nice. This is different to when we come in before. These are different. It's nice, yeah. You see, these are bikes, guys. These are bikes. Let's get round the other way. Excuse me. Let's see them from the front. You see, I like this till I saw the lights. I don't like the light on the front. I like this, and I like that. And you know, it's like the handlebars are a bit higher up than what they normally be, because in the West, when you've got dropped handlebars, they're normally lower down and you're bent over the tank a lot. Well, with these, you're not. I'll have to... Can you find out how much these two bikes are now? Because they're different to before. Right, well, while we find somebody to tell us how much these two bikes are in the CC. Oh, look how nice these are. These are very nice bikes. Oh, the 200cc. I think they're both 200cc. They're very nice. Yeah, I found it.
This one is 260.
Huh?
260, this one.
This one's 250.
Yeah.
What, this one?
No, I'm asking you where is the 250cc?
This is the 250 here.
Ah, yeah.
That's the one that David calls the Commander. Yeah. Yeah.
It's not like that one?
It's I think you got the grey one, this one here. Right, so I want you to guess what bike I've chosen. Now this is the Commander. It's not, it's the 250 Classic, but David actually named it the Commander. So which bike do you think I'm having? So sorry, I've just had to get them to turn the music off, because there's a lot of banging as well. They've got a lot more new bikes in. I mean, look at the variety of bikes. Look at the amount of bikes they've got. So you're busting a gut to see what bike you've got, aren't you? Well, let's just show you this one. Now, once we've shown you what bike we're having, we'll go back and we'll get the price of them two bikes and try and show you them a bit closer up. I didn't, because they're tight together and the place is busy, I can't get them to pull anything out. They're just too busy. Right, so this is the head mechanic that they've got here, and this is the bike I'm buying. This is the Rusi 150, and it's only 50,000 pesos cash.
should
It's
be 54,000.
54,000 if you're getting it on credit. Now look how beautiful this bike is. I'm giving you a real nice close-up. Now this is going to put this on for me because I knew I was getting it. I ordered it for the tank and he's just put that on. Put all the mirrors on. I love these mirrors, look. These mirrors are brilliant. And everything's electric this and electric that. It's I love it. I love it. And these front lights, they automatically come on, which is unusual for the Philippines. Normally when you've got to put these lights on, but as soon as you turn the ignition on, these lights come on, and I love that about the bike. So look at that. Yeah, nice it is.
It's nice. I like that as well.
No, that's our new bike. Totally brand new. Hasn't even been registered yet. Well,
It's gonna be 3 months before we get the papers.
3 months. Yeah.
It takes 3 months.
Cool. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to, obviously we're taking the bike with us now.
And also, if you guys want to buy like a cash, you can, like for example, here, it should be the original price of this motorbike is 54,000, and as usual, we always said how much the last price, and then we give to us 50,000. Right?
I didn't think they'd drop it as much as 4,000, but they did.
Yeah.
So it was 50,000.
Yeah. Discount.
So yeah, so basically we've sold my old bike. I've sold a compressor we had, so we didn't really have to put much money to it. So I'm hoping the quality, as long as we look after it, is going to be pretty decent. It's not going to get abused.
We have decent motorcycle as well.
Yeah, we've got something decent there. So next we'll find the prices out of them two bikes, guys, and just bring you up to date on how much they'll cost you. But bear that in mind, that if you come with the cash, you're going to get some discount.
Yeah.
And some generous discounts.
Don't be shy to us discount.
No, don't be shy to us. So look, guys, we've got a Ducati. I quite like the Ducatis, but Ducati Monster. You can't see it for the light. But I don't like these front lights. It doesn't say what CC it is. Oh, right, fake Ducati. It's obviously a Rusi with Ducati on the tank. I thought it looked a bit like the Rusis. So we need to find out prices in the CC.
89.
And what CC is it, 200 or 250?
No.
I think it's 200.
This one 59. 59.
59,000? And that is the 200cc, is it? Which one had 200? This is 200cc and it's 59,000. It's 5,000 more than we've just paid. Sorry, 9,000 more than we've just paid. And you'd probably get a discount on that. And it's a 200cc. So I'm guessing this is, I mean, it's a different tank shape, guys. So I can't see what CC it is, but you get an idea anyway. This is the one we've just seen, I think. Yes, it is. This is the one we've just seen, but a newer version, and they've put Ducati on it instead of Rusi. I was talking to somebody the other day and they were saying that the Rusis aren't very good quality, so if you say you got a Rusi, nobody's very impressed. But I'm impressed with the bikes. And we're taking this one home. Eh?
That's only the left.
What?
It's nothing now.
Nothing like that now. Oh, we've sold out of these. I've got the last one. So you're gonna have to get something like
I
that,
did not
guys.
sell anything like this.
Right?
I did not sell anything like this.
No, if they told you they don't sell them anymore, you're just thinking that because you can't see one.
Ah.
All right, they've not sold out. See what I mean? I've got to be careful what Mel says to me.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I love
Are you
it.
happy? I buy you motor?
I'm very happy you bought me a motor now. So you basically get a lifetime labour-free warranty.
Yeah.
After the warranty runs out, it's five. Did he say 500?
500.
500,
To
1,000, 1,000 and 1,000, didn't he? Whatever comes first. Obviously, when you get to the end of your 12 months, then that's finished. But all you do for the lifetime of the bicycle is pay for the parts. You never pay labour.
Yeah. But it's up to you if you wanna buy.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, if you want to pay him something, they'll take it.
Even just like snack.
I've just brought it from the bottom and I've gone and scratched it. I'm mad. I didn't lift my leg long enough.
It's your fault.
Huh?
It's your fault.
Yeah, it's my fault. That's why I needed, because of the last bike I had, it was a Kawasaki 200. The tank got scratched to pieces, so I got this time. But even when I sold the bike, you know, it was scratched. I was disappointed because, you know, I knew they were there. You'd have to look to see them, but I knew they were there. And when I sold the bike, it looked as good as this one when I sold it again. It looked brand new because I looked after it. And this is staying in the house. It's not staying outside, obviously. So basically, when you have a service, you can get better oils. Whatever oil you want, you get the parts and just bring it here and they fit the parts free. Do the service free.
They're here in Concepcion Grande.
Yeah.
In front of the cemetery.
So we're in Concepcion in front of the cemetery where her sister were buried, or what's it called?
Cemetery.
No, where your sister, what's it called when they put the bones here, the body here? Interned. She was interned here, but she's been transferred to
the private cemetery.
To the private cemetery now, because her sister went and bought a plot for them to be...
to have a nice, grave.
Yeah, you see, in the Philippines, guys.
Yeah, because even because the Filipino, even the family, one of your family is dead, they still look after.
Yeah.
They still gonna bring flowers, something like that, candles.
You see me.
That's Philippines.
When I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm not really bothered what she does with me. And she got mad at me the other day because she wanted me to buy a plot. She never said she did. She just like insinuated it, but she was hoping I was going to say, well, I'll buy you one then, babe, and you know, like. But because I didn't, you see, I was being inconsiderate, I guess.
And also, like for example, it's been 1 week or 5 days before they put on the grave. What is it? What is it called?
Oh yeah, the ritual.
Yeah, like that.
When I said to Mel, do not do that to me, just burn me, get rid of me, you know.
But here in the Philippines, we do that.
Yeah. So it's a bit off subject, guys. But don't forget.
Beside SSS, this place. SSS, Social Security System.
It's what it's called?
SSS, Social Security System, beside.
Yeah, it's beside the Social Security System. It's opposite the graveyard on Concepcion. Please give it a visit, guys, if you live in Naga or if you live on somewhere in Bicol, because you're not going to be disappointed, because the prices are just ridiculous. Ridiculously cheap. Pure value for money, guys. So that's it. Hope to see you on the next video. I'm sorry it took so long for us to start the videos again. We'll hope it was soon, because we'll not know from this video.
Yeah.
So we'll see you on the next one. Over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye, guys.
Bye. Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.